Returning an overdue library book.
Good afternoon. How may I help you today?
Hello, I found this book at home. I think it belongs to the library.
Let me take a look at it, please.
Here you go. I'm sorry, I forgot to return it earlier.
Thank you. Oh, this book was due last month.
Last month? I did not realize it had been that long.
It happens sometimes. Did you receive any reminders from us?
I saw an email, but I completely forgot about it.
Do not worry. Do you have your library card with you?
Yes, I do. Here it is.
Thank you. I am checking your account now. There is a small late fee for overdue books.
Oh, how much do I need to pay?
The fee is $2. Would you like to pay by cash or card?
I have cash. Here you are.
Thank you very much. I will mark the book as returned.
I am sorry again for keeping it so long.
It is all right. Thank you for bringing it back.
Thank you for your help and understanding.
Have a great day.
You too. Goodbye.
Returning shoes with wrong size.
Hi, I bought these shoes yesterday and I have a small problem.
Hello, can you tell me what the problem is?
The size is wrong. I ordered size 39, but these are size 37.
Let me check the box. Yes, it says size 37 on the label.
I was sure I saw size 39 on my receipt. It feels strange.
Can I see your receipt, please? I want to help you fix this.
Sure, here it is. You can see size 39 is written here.
You are correct. The receipt is for size 39, but you received size 37.
I tried the shoes on at home and they felt uncomfortable.
I am sorry for the mistake. Would you like to exchange them for the right size?
Yes, I would like to exchange them. I need them for a wedding this weekend.
Of course. Let me check if we have size 39 in stock.
Thank you. I hope you do.
You are in luck. We have one last pair in size 39.
That is wonderful. Can I try them on now?
Yes, here you go. Please take your time.
These fit perfectly. Thank you so much.
You are welcome. Enjoy your new shoes and have a great time at the wedding.
Realizing a bag is left on the bus.
Excuse me, can you help me for a moment?
Of course. What happened?
I think I left my bag on the seat behind me.
What does your bag look like?
It is a small black backpack with a red zipper. I was carrying it when I got on.
Is this the first time you have forgotten something on the bus?
Yes, I am usually careful, but today I was thinking about work.
Do you remember which seat you were in?
I was 3 rows back from the driver on the left side.
Should we check together now before someone else takes it?
Yes, thank you. I did not realize until now.
Let us walk there. I hope it is still there.
I see the seat, but my bag is not.
Wait, is that it under the seat?
Yes, that is my bag. I cannot believe I almost lost it.
I am glad you found it. That is a relief.
Thank you so much for your help.
You are welcome. Have a good day.
Arriving at a hotel with no room.
Good evening. I have a reservation for tonight. My name is Daniel.
Good evening, Daniel. Let me check your reservation now. I see your booking here, but there is a problem with your room.
I'm sorry, what do you mean? Is something wrong?
Unfortunately, your room is not available at this moment.
How is that possible? I have a confirmation email.
I am very sorry. There was an unexpected maintenance issue with the room.
I have just traveled a long way today. I was really hoping to rest here.
I understand. Let me see what I can do for you. We are fully booked tonight, but I can offer you help with another hotel close by.
I do not want to move again. Is there really nothing here?
There is one suite left, but it is more expensive. I want to offer it to you at your original room rate.
Really? I can stay in the suite for the same price?
Yes, of course. We want to make sure you are comfortable after your trip.
That sounds wonderful. Thank you for helping me.
You are welcome. I will prepare your key and help you with your luggage.
Thank you so much. I really appreciate your kindness.
You are welcome, Daniel. Please enjoy your suite and have a restful evening.
Asking for directions to a street.
Excuse me, can you help me for a moment?
Of course. What do you need?
I am looking for Oakwood Street. I am not sure if I am close.
Oakwood Street. Let me think. I notice somewhere near here, but I do not go there often.
I walked from the station and turned at the bakery, but I may have missed a sign.
There are many streets in this area. Do you remember any shop or building near Oakwood Street?
I heard there is a small park by that street. Maybe that is a good landmark.
Yes, there is a park called Willow Park. I think it is next to Oakwood Street.
That sounds right. Is the park far from here?
No, it is not far. You just need to walk 2 blocks straight from here.
Do I turn left or right after the second block?
After the second block, turn left. Oakwood Street starts right by the park entrance.
I see. I hope I do not get lost again.
If you see a coffee shop called Sunny Beans, you are on the right track. That shop is on the corner before you turn.
This is very helpful. I almost walked the other way earlier.
I am glad I could help. Have a good walk.
Have a great afternoon.
Sorting out a mixed-up cake order.
Hello, I'm here to pick up my cake order.
Hello, welcome. May I have your name, please?
Sure, it is Rachel Kim. It should be a chocolate cake.
Let me check. I will bring it out for you. Here it is. Is this your chocolate cake with strawberries on top?
Actually, this looks like a vanilla cake. Mine was supposed to be chocolate with chocolate shavings.
Oh, I am very sorry for the mix-up. Let me look in the back again.
Thank you. My friend is waiting for this at the birthday party, so I am a bit worried.
I understand. I will be as quick as possible. Did your cake have any message written on it?
Yes, it should say, Happy Birthday, Mia, in blue icing.
Thank you, that helps. I will check our other orders.
Maybe someone else took my cake by mistake.
It is possible. Sometimes if names are similar, this happens. This is not your order. I just found a chocolate cake in the back with the correct message.
Oh, thank you so much. That is my cake.
I am glad we found it. I apologize for the wait.
No problem. Thank you for your help.
Enjoy the birthday party and the cake.
Receiving someone else's mail.
Hi, excuse me. Do you live in apartment 4B?
Hello. Yes, I live in 4B. Is there a problem?
I think I received some of your mail by mistake.
Oh, really? What mail did you get?
It is a white envelope addressed to Eric Parker, 4B. I live in 4A.
I have been waiting for an important letter. May I see it?
Of course. Here it is. I did not open it.
Thank you very much. I am glad you found me.
No problem. It happens sometimes with the mail here.
Yes, last month a package for me went missing. It is a bit worrying.
That is not good. I try to double check my mailbox every day.
Do you often get other people's letters by mistake?
It has happened twice this week. Maybe the numbers on the boxes are hard to see.
Maybe we should ask the manager to fix the labels.
That is a good idea. It would help everyone in the building.
This is my missing bill. I really needed this today.
I am glad it worked out. Let me know if you need anything else.
Thank you so much. I will talk to the manager about the mailboxes.
Have a great day.
You too. Thanks again for your help.
Arriving late for a meeting.
Hello, David. I was wondering where you were.
Julia, I am so sorry. I thought the meeting started at 2:30.
It actually started at 2. I've been here for a while.
Oh, I must have read the invite wrong. I feel bad for keeping you waiting.
It happens sometimes. I was just going over my notes.
Is there something important I missed at the start?
We talked about the new project timeline and the budget update.
I see. I will make sure to review the notes and catch up.
That sounds good. We can also discuss anything you need after.
Did anyone else have questions or concerns in the first part?
Only a few. Most people agreed about the deadlines.
Thank you, Julia. I really appreciate your help and patience.
Just please check the meeting times next time to avoid confusion.
You are right. I will double check my calendar from now on.
No problem. Are you ready to continue with the agenda?
Yes, I am sorry again for being late.
Thank you for understanding. Let us move on.
Great, I am ready. Thank you so much, Julia.
Shopping for a bouquet at a flower shop.
Hello. I'm looking for the yellow sunshine bouquet. I want to buy one today.
Hello, welcome in. The yellow sunshine bouquet is very popular.
Yes, my friend loves yellow flowers. I promised to bring her this bouquet.
Let me check the display. Oh, I do not see any left here.
Really? I saw them here last week. Are they sold out?
Yes, we sold the last one this morning. Many people are buying flowers today.
Oh, that is disappointing. I promised my friend this exact bouquet.
I understand. Some people like to order bouquets ahead as they go fast on weekends.
I did not know that. I came straight from work, hoping to surprise her.
Would you like to see some of our other ready bouquets? There are some with yellow flowers too.
Maybe, but my friend really wanted the yellow sunshine one.
I could make a similar bouquet for you. It would take about 15 minutes.
Will it look the same with the big yellow lilies and small white roses?
Yes, we still have yellow lilies and white roses. I can copy the style almost exactly.
That sounds good. I can wait here and look around.
Great! I will start making it right now.
Thank you so much. My friend will be very happy.
You are welcome. Enjoy your bouquet and have a wonderful day.
Helping with a flat tire?
Excuse me, do you need any help with your car?
Oh, hello. I have a flat tire. I'm not sure what to do.
I noticed your hazard lights. Do you have a spare tire?
Yes, I think so. It is in the trunk. I have never changed a tire before.
That is not a problem. I can help you change it if you like.
Are you sure? I do not want to distract you from your plans.
It is no trouble. I have changed a few tires before. It just takes a bit of time.
Thank you. I tried to call someone, but no one answered.
Do you have all the tools? I see a toolkit here.
I think everything is there, but I am not sure which tool to use first.
We start by loosening the nuts on the tire. Then we use the jack to lift the car.
That sounds a bit complicated for me.
You can watch me if you want. Maybe next time you will do it alone.
That would be nice. I want to learn. Thank you for showing me.
No problem. Some people learn by doing. Would you like to loosen the last nut?
Me? I can try.
You did it. The tire is off. Now we put on the spare.
Thank you so much. I was really nervous.
You did very well. Have a safe drive.
Thank you again. Have a great day.